So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So don't remember when we said that we did the slime smoothie, and so I would do that as a color. So first you guys already got, and then hit down below, and it was a color. It's actually kind of green, kind of gray. No, it's not too good. See it, but it was actually kind of green, if you guys can see. See? So yeah, it's actually really good. Wow, I just dropped it. So it's kind of really good, and I just so. So that was the color. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So and also into the next video, I want to say the winners. He said, actually I'm gonna say it was mostly green, so whoever said green is gonna be the winner. So and I'm gonna say that's it. So